Are you thinking about moving to Broward County, Florida? I'm going to show you a house that is located in Hollywood City. And before I show you the house, I wanted to share that Broward County is located in the middle of West Palm Beach and Miami-Dade County. The word that I'm going to use most today is centrally located. Broward County is between the Atlantic Ocean and the Everglades to the west. And Hollywood City is the second biggest cities in Broward County. The first one is Fort Lauderdale, which is the capital of Broward County. So I could say that Hollywood is divided in three. You have West Hollywood, Central Hollywood, and East Hollywood. We are on the east side, literally 3 minutes away from the Atlantic Ocean. Hollywood Beach is an international tourism destination. You have the worldwide known Broadwalk. And this property is located on Hollywood Boulevard, again, 3 minutes away from the ocean and 4 minutes away from the downtown Hollywood, so it's prime location. Hollywood Lakes is divided in north and south. You have two lakes. If you're a boat lover, you have access to the ocean. The median asking price for a property in Hollywood Lakes is $1,151,000 today. That's the median asking price. And this area was mostly built in the 1950s and 1960s. This property is a 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. I will show you the inside and the outside. We are on Hollywood Boulevard, and to the east there is the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see, Hollywood Boulevard is a busy street. And the house that I'm going to show you is located at 1308 Hollywood Boulevard. It has a brand new roof just last week. So you can enjoy for the next 20, 25 years of a beautiful tile new roof. First bedroom to your right with impact windows. Renovated floors, tile floors. This is the first bathroom. On the hallway, and this will be the master. This will be the living area. You have your bow windows. With the impact windows, the noise, all the noise is cancelled. It's also energy efficiency. That's the dining room. And in the middle of the house, we have this beautiful kitchen. The kitchen has been recently renovated. You have a tray in the ceiling, a tray ceiling. Tile floors. These 2 doors are the pantries, and they are ceiling to floor pantries. Look into your fenced backyard. This is the great room, or the Florida room. As we mentioned, you have a private fence backyard with a carport enough for two. There are 2 mango trees and a coconut palm and another huge palm here. Fence backyard. This is the back of the house. Although Hollywood Boulevard is a busy street, you will park from the alley. This is where you take the trash cans out, and as you can see, nobody's here. There are some other cities like Pembroke Pines, some areas in Hallandale that have alleys. But it's a good advantage to have an alley. What do you think? So if you ever have a question about moving to any of the 31 cities in Hollywood, don't hesitate to call. I would be happy to help.